We here at the Law of Jim Zeta have represented victims of sexual harassment for over 15 years. One of the things that our clients worry about is who's going to find out about this and are they going to think less of me. First of all, I want everybody to know that if they come and see us, we do a free consultation, but we do not disclose that you have come and saw us or anything that you told us about. That's attorney-client privilege, and we keep that close to the vest and close to our heart. So what do? What happens at work? You've been sexually harassed and you're afraid if I tell someone they're gonna tell my coworkers are gonna find out, they're gonna interview people, and it's all gonna be about me and it's gonna make me look bad. First of all, when you make a report to your company should keep that confidential. In fact, if you report something to them and you tell them some sort of medical issue or some sort of sexual harassment issue, there's all kinds of laws that are in place to prevent them from disclosing that information. One example is anti-retaliation. If you make a complaint and they retaliate against you by disseminating it to people who don't need to know, that is clear retaliation against you. So let's say that they go ahead and they do that, right? All you have is a claim against them for retaliation, which is a good claim, and you can ultimately prevail and get some compensation, but still your reputation is ruined within the company. What we have found oftentimes is that people who have been severely sexually harassed need to get out of that environment anyways. They're in a toxic environment that the sexual harasser has made virtually impossible for them to survive. They have some sort of post-traumatic stress disorder from going back to the same workplace. They don't want to see the same people. Once we're able to get them out of that toxic environment and get them into an environment that's just a normal workplace, they don't want to go back, and they're not worried about what those people thought about them because they weren't at fault. It wasn't your fault. You were the victim. They put you in this spot. And so there are laws that protect you. There are ways that you can talk to people and get around it. They should not disclose it. But if they do, sometimes it's best to get out and find another place to work.